What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get a clean, fresh install of Windows 10 downloaded onto a USB flash drive. So what are we going to need in order to make this possible? We need a computer with connection to the internet, and we need a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage on it, preferably more, but it needs to be at least 8 no matter what, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to do this right now. Okay, what you want to do is first plug in your USB into the computer. Next, what you guys want to do is you want to type in Media Creation Tool into Google, and you want to click the first result that comes up right here. It's Microsoft.com. Okay, once the website loads, you want to click on Download Tool Now. Alright, and after everything loads, you don't want to upgrade this PC now. We want to create installation media, USB flash drive. Click Next. This is where you can select the language. We want English, we want Windows 10. And we're going to be doing a 64-bit operating system in this video. Most modern PCs are going to be running a 64-bit operating system, but some older ones might be running a 32. If you are skeptical that your system is old and might be running a 32-bit operating system, you can always check within settings, system properties, whether it is or not. But if you have a newer PC, chances are it's going to be running a 64-bit, and you can just use the recommended settings right here, okay? Click Next. Alright, when you get to the next screen, you're going to want to select USB flash drive. Again, it will prompt you that it needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. Click Next. Now, this is where we're going to select the flash drive to download it onto. I'm going to select F. That's mine. Now we're just going to wait for it to progress, and it's going to download the fresh install of Windows 10 onto the flash drive, guys, okay? Alright, you guys, after it finishes copying everything over to the flash drive, you are ready to go. You can click Finish. You can eject the flash drive and everything's all set to go. You can use that in your new PC build or your existing build. So what the finished product is going to be a fresh install of Windows 10. The only downside is that it's a deactivated version of Windows. So what your desktop is going to look like is it's going to have this watermark in the bottom right corner here. It says to activate Windows, and you're not going to be able to get rid of that unless you have a Windows product key, which you can activate at any time. So even after, if you want to go through and you want the deactivated version at first, which is free, you can keep that for a little while, and you can always go into settings later and activate it with a key that you buy. This has no performance hindering to Windows 10 at all. You're going to be able to play games, you're going to be able to browse the internet, and there's no speed hindering or anything like that. It runs just like a normal version of Windows 10. Now, a couple things to keep in mind here. If you built a brand new computer that has absolutely nothing on any of the hard drives on it, you can plug the USB flash drive into the computer before booting it up for the first time, and it will automatically boot into the flash drive because it detects that there's something on it, whereas there's nothing on anything else. And if you're trying to upgrade your existing computer, what you want to do instead is choose the option at the beginning of the download that says upgrade this PC now. You do not need to create the Windows Installation Media Tool, aka the USB flash drive, if you're just upgrading, say, an older system from Windows 7 or Windows 8 and you want it to be on Windows 10 instead. Creating the Windows Installation Media Tool is pretty much for building a new PC or upgrading another PC aside from the one that you're on currently. But if you're just trying to upgrade your own PC from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10, then just choose that option at the beginning that says upgrade this PC now. Alright, thanks guys. That's how you get Windows 10 on a USB flash drive. I'm going to be using this in all of my new PC builds, so I figured I'd make a video on how to create the actual flash drive first. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll make sure to address them. Check me out on Twitch. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday over at twitch.tv/frothboss. We have a good time over there. If you have any questions about building a PC in general or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord, also linked down below. And yeah, y'all have a great day.